How to bleed your power steering pump on a Chevy Vortec V8. Check it out, guys. We're gonna turn it all the way. And lock to lock. Turn it all the way. Come up here, just replace the hose. We got our dipstick right here. Full cold, full hot, add. So it's cold right now. I just changed the hose out. I'll stick it down in here. Come on now. All right. Pull it back up. See, we're low. We need to add more in there, and that's just how you do it. Top it off, get you a long funnel. About like that. Okay. I get cheap power steering fluid, it's easy. Not too much at once. Come back in here. I mean, you can leave the, you can kind of let it chill. That's all right. Don't let that spill. Come back in your truck. We're gonna go lock. Come on. To lock. Back and forth. Get it in that hose. Get it under pressure. All right. Come back. Come back. Let it rest, you know, like that. Come back up. Take the funnel out. Okay, we need to wipe it. Try doing this holding the camera, guys. Shop Pro, Matte Shop Pro. Put it in. Take it out. Oh, look at that. Almost perfectly full cold. Just top it off a little more. And then once we're done, top it off. Put the cap in, lock it. Just like that, we're good. I mean, it's that simple. So I sprayed it down with degreaser. This will work on 99 2007 Chevy trucks. I changed the hose out, it was leaking. I got it all degreased under here. Some super clean and a sprayer. And I'll rinse it with the hose. Come up over here, look at it in the future, see if it's leaking. Hopefully it's not. Don't use ATF. Use real power steering fluid, cheap. I don't really like the stuff with stop leak. It's not necessary. Fix your hoses if they're leaking. That's all you gotta do. Just like that. Topped off. Now, probably wanna drive it and then check it and make sure it's on the right mark once it's hot. So once it's hot, you know, it'll read differently. Come over here. See, hot right there. So I make sure it's good cold, you know, run it, get it really hot up temperature, drive it around, come back, check it, make sure it's full hot. That's a good tip. Later.